In business analysis, NLP allows analysts to extract textual data from reports, emails, customer feedback, and this helps in better decision making. Risk management. AI is a powerful tool for risk management. By analyzing historical data, real-time market trends, this can be used by businesses to tailor their marketing campaigns and provide product recommendations to their customers. Hi, and welcome to the fascinating world of business analysis. In today's video, we'll explore the intersection between artificial intelligence and business analysis. But before we dive in, hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to receive many more videos like this. Hi, I'm Sajna Vinil. I'm the founder of Business Analysis Hub, the fastest growing community of business analysts here in India. And in today's video, we are going to dive in and understand how we can leverage the power of AI in business analysis. So let's get started. Now let's first understand artificial intelligence in the context of business analysis. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Now, in business analysis, AI algorithm can process vast amounts of data, analyze the data pattern, and make data-driven recommendations to support decision making. Now let's look at data collection and analysis. One of the primary roles of AI in business analysis is data collection and analysis. AI-powered tools can gather data from various sources like market trends, customer feedback, operational metrics. These tools can also process unstructured data like social media comments, customer reviews, and help you extract valuable insights from this data that can aid in identifying business opportunities. Point number 3, predictive analysis. Using AI tools, business analysts can now forecast future trends, customer behavior, and changing market dynamics. So this helps businesses make proactive decisions and respond to market conditions more accurately. Point number 4, natural language processing or NLP. NLP is a subset of AI which enables computers to understand and interpret human language. In business analysis, NLP allows analysts to extract textual data from reports, emails, customer feedback, and this helps in better decision making. Repetitive and time-consuming tasks like data entry and report generation can now be automated using AI algorithms. This not only reduces the human error but also frees up the analyst time so that the analyst can focus on more strategic activities. Point number 6, sentiment analysis and customer feedback. AI-driven sentiment analysis helps gauge customer satisfaction and sentiment towards products and services. This helps businesses quickly identify issues, take corrective action, improve customer service, and ultimately leading to increased brand loyalty. Point number 7, risk management. AI is a powerful tool for risk management. By analyzing historical data, real-time market trends, AI algorithms can identify potential market risks and help businesses devise better risk mitigation strategies. Point number 8, personalization and customer segmentation. AI enables businesses to deliver personalized experiences to its customers by segmenting them based on their preferences and behaviors. This can be used by businesses to tailor their marketing campaigns and provide product recommendations to their customers, eventually growing their revenues. So in the conclusion of this video, we can say that AI is definitely reshaping the future. But as a business analyst, if you embrace AI, it will help you become more agile, efficient, and strategic in your decision-making approach. In our Project Implementation Mastermind, we teach how you as a business analyst can leverage the power of artificial intelligence to automate time-consuming tasks and help businesses make better decisions. If you would like to know more details of this program, you can visit our website www.interactivelearning.in or drop a message in our WhatsApp number 816-918-7406. And if you like this video, drop us a like, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel. And before you log off, just drop a note below and let us know what are some of the future videos you would like to see from me. That's all for now. Thank you very much.